All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's preposition. So at a specific location. I am at home. You are at home too. Yeah. They were at the museum. She was at the shop. It was at the top of the shelf. They wanted to be at there by now. Yeah. He, right there. Okay. They, she, it. They, she, it, he, and I. So he thought I was at home. So he thought I was at home. No, I was not at home. I was at the gym. Gym. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I will be at the party. Will you be at the party? Will you? They will be at the meeting too. Yeah, I thought you'd be at the meeting. Why weren't you at the party? Why weren't you at the party? How cool is that? Yeah. I was at the restaurant last night. Yeah. We saw them at the casino, for example. I did not see them at the meeting. I did not see them at the meeting. How cool is that? I'm going to be at the party. When are you going to be at the party? Yeah, when? When are you going to be at the party? Depends. Do you think she will be at it too? How could they be at the event without a ticket? Could they know how to be at there too? Yeah. So I am at the office. Where are you at? Are you at the shops or the airport? Yeah, where? Are you at the shops, the airport, the museum? Where? He should be at the gym. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use at in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.